Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now. Make sure the A5S has at least 50% charge and remove external SD or unstable SIM cards for safety. Once done, power the phone off completely. Next, press and hold power plus volume down to trigger recovery. On some units, you may need power plus volume up instead. You do this because the key combo interrupts normal boot and invokes the recovery partition. When the recovery menu appears, pause to read options before selecting any destructive actions. Once in recovery, you'll use volume keys to move and power to confirm. This keeps touch out of the loop. Start by choosing Wipe Cache Partition. This clears temporary files that often block boot without erasing personal data, and it's faster. Make sure to wait until the wipe completes and return to the menu. If the device still won't boot, choose Factory Reset/Wipe Data as a last resort because it erases user data. You're doing this to restore system integrity when other steps fail. After completing wipes or a reset, select Reboot System Now. That action restarts the phone into normal mode. Expect the first boot to take several minutes as services rebuild, so be patient and don't interrupt it. Once booted, restore backups and reinstall apps. If you cannot access recovery at all, or the phone still won't boot after resets, the next step is to reflash the official stock ROM using the vendor tool or seek a service center. This resolves corrupted system partitions that recovery alone cannot fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.